Hello and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're having a look at Warhammer Age of Sigmar, Arcane Cataclysm, Magical Host Duel in the Ruins of Eldritch War. Very, very cool. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. And yeah, we're going to dive in, have a quick look, see what's inside, as well as have a little look at the models. So here is the front of the box. This is, as of posting this video, it is up for pre-order. And so everybody out there who's a huge fan of Tzeentch or the Hoeth Duders, the, Realm-lords, Lumineth. There we go. I knew I'd get there eventually. So let's have a look at the back of the box. Now let's have a peek. Ooh, look at this. This box contains a 40-page Arcane Cataclysm book, 56-page Warhammer Age of Sigmar core rulebook. That's very cool. I like when they include these the little rule books. Token sheet and 8 War Scroll cards. Includes 55 miniatures. Lumineth Realm-lords, 1 Scinari, is it Scinari? Enlightener, 5 Venari Blade Lords, 5 Venari Dawn Riders, 10 Venari Allurian Sentinels, Disciples of Tzeentch, 1 Curseling, Eye of Tzeentch, 3 Zangors Enlightened on Discs of Tzeentch, 20 Carrick Acolytes, and 10 Zangors. Pretty darn cool. I like the little picture of the terrain. That's actually really cool. So you get quite a bit in this box. I'm really, really excited about these two models. This guy, the Tzeentch, I'm not usually one for Tzeentch models. You know, I mean, like, I like chaos and everything like that, but I mean, Tzeentch is always, you know, kind of crazy and wacky, and, you know, they got, like, you know, mutations and all sorts of crazy crap going on. And, you know, like, I'm more of a Nurgle kind of guy as far as, you know, chaos is concerned. But with this model, very, very interesting. As soon as they revealed this back a while ago, for, you know, this model coming out, well, both of these models coming out, I knew this one was really, really cool, and this one here is, like, pretty darn interesting. So without further ado, let's get the trusty rusty blade out and let's dive right into this box without having cut myself or anything on my dull knife. Oh yeah, the sounds of cellophane. So we flip the box back over, open it up. It is one of the regular kind of, you know, box styles that we normally get with these releases. Ooh, look at all the models. Let's move my light a bit. There we go. So we can see all the sprues in here. Holy moly. So here is the Lumineth model, single sprue. I assume this is all of the miniature on this one sprue. Very, very cool. I'm going to assume this is the Tzeentch fellow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I might have to paint this guy up. I got some ideas for Tzeentch models and doing crazy kind of color schemes and such. We got, looks like a bunch of bows here, so I'm assuming these are for the Realm-lords. I could not tell you which models were which, as far as the Venari Dawn Duders or Lance Duders or whatever the heck they're called. Very, very cool. Got another sprue of them. Ooh, there's a little birdie in there. Does the other sprue have the bird on there? Am I not seeing it? Are these different sprues? I don't even know if these are different sprues. They look the same. They are the same. Now where'd the little birdie go? I just lost sight of the bird. Oh, there's a bird on the staff here. There's a bird of staff there. Where'd that little bird go? Oh, there he is. Jeez Louise, I'm blind. There's little birds. Oh, what the heck? I didn't know they had little birds on here. Oh, these little birdies might end up on other projects. You know, Chris, he's probably going to use those birds where they're not supposed to be, but, you know, whatever. So this looks like Zangors or the other Chaos Duders. Looks like Zangors to me. The only Zangors I'm familiar with are the ones from the, what was it, Silver Tower release. They didn't seem this complex when they first came out. These are quite a bit of options and such. I am not familiar with the Tzeentch side of Age of Sigmar. Yeah. Love the shields. All sorts of... Oh, look at the standard. I think these are the same sprue. Yeah, these are the same sprue. So you get 2 of these sprues, so that's probably your 20 right there. This is Discs of Tzeentch. Looks like you get enough for 3 off this one sprue. I do like this discs as well. Again, like, you know, this Tzeentch models are really, really cool. I'm usually not one for, you know, the flavor of Tzeentch. Same with Slaanesh. I'm not a huge Slaanesh fan either. But that could be the Eldar talking. I don't know. Looks like some high elf blades here. Oh, yeah, look at that. We got birds. Now I just want birds on every sprue. Yeah, these guys are really cool. They remind me of the Sword Masters of Hoeth from the old fantasy, which were wonderful looking models. Got a dude on a horseback. Any birds? No, no birds. Oh, we didn't do a sniff test. Let's do a sniff test. Oh, yeah, there's that smell of plastic. Yeah, horsies, mounts. What's this, more? We got wings. Oh, it's a Tzeentch thing? Yeah, it's a Tzeentch thing. Oh, birdie. Lots of shields. Lots of big flat areas on shields so you can, you know, paint all sorts of craziness onto them. Yeah. Yeah, I can't remember which dudes are which dudes, but yeah. This is the Elf Horseman. Another sprue of them. Very pretty. Oh, man. Oh. As I'm looking through these models, I'm like, oh, am I going to paint these? Am I going to paint these? I probably am. I really like them. Oh, look at this scroll. I didn't notice this on the sprue before. It's got this big scroll going on. I like this big birdie thing going on. I have no idea what that's about. But I'm in. Big giant birds. I'm in. All right, let's have a look. So we got this little divider. It's probably got some art on the other side. Oh, yeah, look at that. Got some pretty art for all of you fans of artwork. Hang that up on your wall or, you know, in your little hobby area for a little bit of inspiration. We got a whack ton of bases. Make a lot of crinkly noise. Just for everybody wearing headphones, it's going to be really loud. I'm sure a whole bunch of you probably just turned the video off at that point or fast forwarded. So we got a core rulebook. Very cool. Has everything you need for the Age of Sigmars. Very, very nice. And then we get our supplement book, which has our War Scrolls instruction guide and a little campaign book. You know what? We'll dive right in right now. It's cellophane wrapped, but it's not like, you know, the typical kind of you tear it open kind of thing. It's actually not bad. Oop, War Scrolls are falling all over the place now. So we got a bunch of War Scrolls. Very, very cool. We have our instruction guide. Very handy and necessary. We have our sheet of tokens. Tokens. Very, very cool. So pretty much this is like a, you know, getting started with Age of Sigmar for everybody out there who wants to get into Age of Sigmar. And of course, you know, the Realm-lords or these Disciples of Tzeentch. Gives us a bit of lore. Yeah, I like lore. I'm way behind on my lore reading. color guides. Well, not guides, but, you know. Yeah, by page 16. Scinari Blade Lords. Okay, those are the Blade Lords. Ooh, I like the helmets on these dudes. There's the horsey duders. Oh, okay, and these are the archers. Illyrian Sentinels. Oh, these are the Sentinels. He's got a bird. He's got a birdie. I just want birds and everything now. Then we get the Tzeentch. Okay. Yeah, I like Discs of Tzeentch. They're very, very cool. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Gives us a couple scenarios. All right, yeah. Oh, we get a few scenarios. Get how to play. We've got a rule book. We even have the War Scrolls in the book here, just in case you, I don't know, somehow misplaced them or whatever. But yeah, so that is it. That's Arcane Cataclysm. Again, this is up for pre-order as of posting of this video. A big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get to work on some of these. I've always liked since they've released them, the Lumineth Realm-lords. I've always liked the aesthetic, and I always liked the high elf aesthetic. And I like that they've changed the design and, you know, gone with something different. But for whatever reason, this Tzeentch model, it just kind of speaks to me. And yeah, so hopefully you guys found this somewhat interesting, and I don't know how informative it is, but hopefully you guys found this one interesting. And be sure to check out more. Big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. It'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there's various tiers of support, and a huge, huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support, and to all the brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you guys in the next video.